My name is Maureen de Nieva-Marsh. I also go by the nickname Mo, and I am a Salzburg Global Fellow. I am from Marin County, California, which is located right across the Golden Gate Bridge from the city of San Francisco. During this pandemic, and I say it's still currently going, there's a lot of emotional burnout, compassion fatigue, whether you were on the direct lines or if you were in spaces where you were able to open up pockets of funding to be able to have organizations and community members to do their best work to take care of their communities. I'm at a crossroads in my own career of whether I want to stay in local government or not. I previously had a career in a decade in nonprofits doing similar work, public health policy work, working with young people, uplifting their voices. And I was at a point where I wanted to change careers completely because I was emotionally tired. But the moment I stepped into this space at the seminar, I realized there's still a lot of work to do, and I can still do great things in this space of government, but it doesn't have to look like and feel like and be exhausting. It can be inspirational, it can be movement building, it can be energizing, even in a space where there is sadness and anger and just tiredness. When I step into a space, each seminar, each session, each conversation, each lift ride, each cup of coffee with these wonderful fellows that are my peers, but also my mentors and my sources of hope, that the 60 of us in this room, when we go back to our home countries, are re-energized to continue the work and deepen the work, and even more so because we have now a community of care and a network to even further amplify. That gives me a lot of hope. There's not enough words in the English dictionary or maybe other dictionaries there to describe how I feel. I feel grateful. I feel that this was an investment of time, but more so of love, and more so of becoming an ambassador to come back to my home country and share to my colleagues. When we have opportunities of professional development, we don't have to just think the four walls in our organization. We don't have to think about the four walls within our own county, our own state, our own country. If we have the opportunity to do professional development and real community building, we should push ourselves to go to a place like Salzburg Global Seminar. And that's the message I'm going to bring back to my home country and my space, because I think that in order to be able to do my best work, you have to really connect with the other people in the world, because those shared best practices, you can bring that back. And what you bring from your home country or community can help amplify and do the work here too. My hope after this week is that as fellows we stay connected and we have opportunities to still check in on the progress and the work that we've done together here and what we're bringing back to our home countries, but also other opportunities to connect with other alumni in this vast network and see what other opportunities we have to partner and to grow. And it's really actually expanded my viewpoint on what it means to be a global citizen. I think that what I'm walking away from here is a reminder that the world, the ideas in this world from the people are beyond its borders. And that's what this magical place at the Global Seminar really represents and reminds us. The original reasons why this was created still exist in some parts of our world. My true hope is that each of us as fellows walk away with a reminder that regardless of how challenging it may be to find funding to do the work that we do, or to find allies to support the policies we try to pass, or to organize communities, to connect people, that all of us have a purpose to just do good. If we just walk away from this global seminar experience, our assignment is to do good, we're going to be fine.